Hello and welcome to Crypto Paradise's weekly show, News on the Beach. I'm your host, Joe Robinson. Let's get into it. It's been a bloody couple weeks in the crypto market as Bitcoin continues to slide from its newest all-time intraday high of 73,835 on March 14th, 2024. BTC fell 6% this week, sinking below $60,000 on Tuesday, dumping into the $50,000 range, before pumping back into the $60,000 range this morning. In fact, as I speak, BTC has already retraced that 6% loss. Go home, Peter Schiff. At the time of recording, BTC is at $63,000. BTC dominance, and I'm not talking about how it does in the bedroom, remains at 50% of the $2.43 trillion cryptocurrency market. USD Tether garnering 4.51%, Ethereum at 15.22%, and all other alternative cryptocurrencies making up 29% of this emerging money printing market. The Fear and Greed Index remains at 48, neutral. The alt market, especially in the last few weeks, has been what feels like a free fall. Friday morning, May 3rd's Bitcoin bump has brought a lot of relief to anxious Chads invested in the alt market and random JPEGs, but if you aren't a seasoned Chad or degen, you might still be paranoid that we are in the midst of a bear market, or worse, crypto winter. Think 2022 spring, or remember the nightmare that was the winter of 2018? When true winter finally arrived? If you don't know what I'm talking about, boy, are you in for a ride this cycle. But fear not, here at Crypto Paradise, we know better. We want to give you the news that matters with accurate analysis so you can be confident in whatever degen play you decide to ape into. Remember, this is not financial advice. It is, however, an effort to educate you on the ins and outs of crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, what's going on now as well as in the deeper, darker parts of the crypto industry. Let's get started. Welcome to this week's Crypto Roundup. In Hong Kong, the highly anticipated crypto ETFs made their debut, but the transaction numbers on opening day left much to be desired, with just $12 million in trading volume. It was like bringing a water gun to a fire hose fight compared to the United States' $4.6 billion first day extravaganza. Over in the world of legal drama, Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao faced the music this week. But instead of a symphony of 36 months behind bar, he only got a light 4-month sentence. How did he manage to dodge the full penalty? By just being a nice guy, apparently. Meanwhile, Do Kwon's Terraform Labs is playing hardball, refusing to cough up $5.3 billion in penalties to the SEC. They seem more willing to part ways with $1 million. Is Do Kwon the new poster child for playing it cool under pressure? Let's hope he doesn't turn out to be the next Sam Bankman-Fried. And in the earnings corner, crypto-related companies are celebrating positive numbers following the recent market rally. Luckily for them, the recent Bitcoin rollercoaster ride below $60,000 hasn't put a damper on their quarter one earnings. Moving to the VC world. Welcome to News on the Beach Crypto Roundup, where we're diving into the 4 hottest trends shaking up the world of venture capital in the crypto sphere. First up, let's talk cash flow. Crypto venture capital funding is making a serious comeback this year with over $4 billion injected into startups. What's lighting up investors' radars? Ethereum restaking, DPINs, which is decentralized physical infrastructure networks, the Bitcoin ecosystem, and RWA, real-world asset tokenization, are all getting a piece of the pie. Ethereum restaking is stealing the spotlight thanks to EngineLayer's groundbreaking protocol. It's all about earning those extra rewards by restaking Ether and liquid staking tokens across different blockchain networks. With nearly $15 billion in assets under its belt, Engine Layer is making waves, sparking the launch of multiple liquid restaking platforms like Ether.5, Renzo, and Puffer Finance. That's right, Puffer Finance. You might want to invest in something like called Puffer Finance. Just listen to the name. Speaking of which, these Ethereum liquid restaking giants are swimming in funding. Ether.5 kicked things off with a $27 million round, followed by Puffer Finance's $18 million Series A. That's right, Puffer Finance raised $18 million, and Renzo's $3.2 million seed funding. And let's not forget the backing they've received from big players like Bullish, Binance Labs, and more. Next up, DPIN. Projects are picking up speed, especially on Solana. Low.net, Peak, IoTex, Natix, and Sending Network are just a few cashing in on the action, with around 70 projects collectively raising about $192 million. It's clear that DPINs are a force to be reckoned with. And of course, we can't ignore the Bitcoin ecosystem's booming growth, with 81 deals in 2024 already. It's outpacing last year's numbers, proving that the Bitcoin bandwagon is still rolling strong. Last but not least, tokenization is all the rage. Securitize, Centrifuge, and Bakkt are leading the charge, securing a cool $80 million in funding this year. It's safe to say that tokenization is on everyone's lips in the crypto VC world. Let's take a moment for the big deals. Securitize raised a whopping $47 million. Movement Labs snagged $38 million, and Align Layer powered up with a $28 million Series A round. That's 20, sorry. Welcome to the Digital Securities Update. I want to highlight this story about Securitize because it's a powerhouse in digital securities. It's making waves yet again. They've just locked in a jaw-dropping $47 million in strategic funding, led by the titan of finance, BlackRock. But hold on to your hats, because the lineup of investors doesn't stop there. Aptos Labs, Paxos, and Circle also hopped on board, turning this funding round into a star-studded affair. But there's more to the story than just big numbers. Securitize isn't just raising funds, they're making moves. They're gearing up for major expansion, fueling product development and fortifying partnerships in the financial services realm. It's a bold strategy, and Securitize is ready to seize the moment. And here's the cherry on top. BlackRock's Joseph Chalom, the mastermind behind strategic ecosystem partnerships, is stepping into Securitize's board of directors. This isn't just an investment, it's a strategic alliance aimed at shaping the future of digital finance. But wait, there's a plot twist. Securitize isn't just partnering with BlackRock. They're already making waves together. They joined forces as a transfer agent, tokenization platform, and placement agent for the launch of BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, BUILD. It's called BUILD. It's like build, but with the L at the end, on the Ethereum blockchain. BUILD marks BlackRock's inaugural tokenized fund, and Securitize is right there at the forefront of innovation. That's a wrap for today's Digital Securities Update. Keep your eyes peeled for more groundbreaking collaboration and innovations in the world of digital finance. That's all on the venture capital front. Stay tuned for more money moves and crypto insight, moving into bad news that's actually good news. Welcome to the Crypto Law Update, where we're diving deep into the latest crackdown on crypto crime that's shaking up the UK. In a groundbreaking move, the National Crime Agency, that's in the UK for everyone else, and police are flexing their muscles, armed with new powers to seize, freeze, and even obliterate crypto assets used by criminals. And get this, they can do it without even making an arrest first. It's like something out of a crypto thriller. But wait, there's more. Victims are getting a lifeline too. They now have the right to demand the release of funds held in crypto accounts that rightfully belong to them. It's justice served on the blockchain. Now, while some might see this crackdown as a dark cloud looming over the crypto world, we're here to flip that script. By cleaning up the streets of crypto, this law is actually paving the way for a safer, more legitimate digital financial landscape. It's like giving the Wild West a sheriff and a code of law. For crypto investors, or you DGen or Chads watching this crackdown may be scary, but it's actually a ray of hope. It means fewer scams, less market manipulation, and ultimately a more stable and trustworthy investment environment. So while it might seem like bad news at first glance, in reality, it's a step in the right direction for the long-term health and success of the crypto market. And if you're a hacker or a scammer and you're bummed about this, well, screw you. And just to drive the point home, recent busts like the $150 million cash and crypto seizure by the NCA and DEA, along with the arrest of 3 individuals for a £1.4 million VAT fraud, show that the UK means business when it comes to tackling crypto crime. Adrian Searle, director of the National Economic Crime Center, summed it up best. These new powers are very welcome and will enhance law enforcement's ability to restrain, recover, and destroy crypto assets if required. That's all for today's crypto law update. Stay tuned for more on the ever-evolving world of crypto regulation. If you like this channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for our next segment, Moon or Rugged. Hello and welcome to our next segment on News on the Beach, Moon or Rugged. Every week, we will pick the latest, most hyped meme coin that is launching, purely based on its meme ability. I, Joe Robinson, then will buy $50 worth of this coin, actually token, ideally upon launch. But if it's launched within 2 weeks, it also qualifies. It's part of this segment that I like to call Moon or Rugged. I will share my journey in subsequent weeks with you on whether or not I have any victories of Moon launch or defeat and failure, or even maybe getting rugged. Because in crypto, you never really know who the team is, and you never really know if you might get rugged. Just look at what happened with Luna. So, what is meme ability, you might ask? I'll tell you exactly what it means. There are 3 criteria. Number 1, incredible meme brandability, which is based purely on the name and logo. This will be judged subjectively by the Crypto Paradise team, or maybe we'll bring a random DGen trader to pick one as well. Number 2, the meme must have little to no utility. That's right, we don't want use cases, we just want meme ability. And number 3, the most pragmatic rule, no honeypots allowed. But contracts don't have to necessarily be renounced, so we're going to be entering some risky territory with some of these meme tokens. Now, I'm really excited for our first winner here. Some current followers of the Crypto Paradise will already know about this meme because it did launch in the last 2 weeks, and I happened to convince a couple friends to invest in it before Bitcoin dumped, and they now hate me. But I still believe strong in this meme coin because its meme ability is strong. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for, drum roll please. This week's Moon or Rugged coin is Brain Dick. That's right, ticker Dick on Base Network. I got to hand it to this team. What a brand. This comes straight from their website, Dick Brain. This is a definition. Dick Brain with the AI uppercase to emphasize the AI that they don't have in any of their technology. But I like that they're bringing that AI aspect to the meme. Is defined as a man who thinks with his penis instead of his brain. In other words, his actions aren't rational and decisions are totally driven by getting laid. Welcome to Dick Brain. As I like to say, Dick Brain! The next viral meme on Base blockchain. We understand what people love about crypto: excitement, authenticity, and fun. That's what we're here to deliver. This is the website, by the way. That's what we're here to deliver. With some of the coolest marketing and art, join us as we start a new chapter where dicks grow, communities bond, and we shape the future of meme coins together. For Degens, by Degens. Welcome aboard. I don't know about you, but I think I want a lot of dick on Base. Never thought I might say that. Now, my favorite part of this meme is the mascot. Check this guy out. I mean, an eggplant with a brain? That's pretty awesome. The best part of this meme is yet to come. Now, this token does have a little bit of utility, kind of. There is a brilliant game that game developers have been working on where Brain Dick, that eggplant brain guy, slaps dicks. Now, this token does have some utility, kind of. There's a brilliant game that game developers have been developing where Brain Dick slap dicks our least favorite CryptoPunk SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried. You can slap dick the shit out of Sam Bankman-Fried over and over, and for every dick slap, you get points. Now, are they going to keep a leaderboard? I don't know. Maybe that's the utility. Who knows? Who cares? Because you got a whole lot of dick. So if you need to vent about your 2022 losses, get a lot of dick and use it to slap your anger out on SBF. So, here's to getting a lot of dick. That's it for this week's show. Stay tuned for more next week. Please subscribe to our channel for free giveaways, the latest Degen Alpha, and more. I'm Joe Robinson signing off, and see you next week.